Alrighty, I think we're good to go. What's going on? What's going on? Happy New Year to everyone joining. Give me 3 more minutes, just making sure my stream is good to go. But yeah, I'll be back in 2 minutes. Give me 2 minutes and we should be good. Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. For those of you that are joining late, that's perfectly fine. Everything is recorded and it will be posted later for review. All right, so let's get it. We're gonna start the year right on gold, and of course, we're gonna add everything to the spreadsheet that I made for the year. And everything will be recapped as well. So let's check news first things first. Let's go on Forex Factory. What's today? Today is Monday, right? Today is Sunday. Okay. I'm tripping. The market isn't even open, but that's perfectly fine because I do want to go ahead and start these streams anyways. This will kind of be an introduction. So the market is closed right now. I totally forgot it was Sunday, guys, but that's perfectly fine. I can go ahead and give an introduction of 2023 streams, as I am going to amp them up Monday through Thursday, New York session from 6 to 8 a.m. So although the market is closed, it's perfectly fine, guys. Perfectly fine, because we're gonna open up strong on Monday and then trade Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. But just a quick introduction. Every stream is gonna be coordinated. We're gonna have an hour of trading and an hour of a lesson, a workshop, whatever. It's beginner friendly, advanced, retail concepts, smart money concepts. I have it all in this document. And I also want to give a free class to anyone that's just starting out the year with trading, because you know, reflecting on where I started when I first wanted to get into trading, I was confused, I was lost. So what I'm gonna do for you guys is stream live workshops for free with the Candlestick Bible, Naked Forex, anything that costs money that the average trader will not be able to access unless they pay for it. I'll go over it all year. So starting out this week, we're gonna cover candlesticks, basic stuff. basically just talking about how you can trade candlesticks, live market examples, back testing, all that good stuff, so that you guys can get familiar with that. So that's what I want to start out with first. And then of course, we're going to be trading gold, GBP pairs, and Euro USD mainly. And then I have all these other pairs in case you guys want me to review any other ones. So again, these lives are going to be mostly for educational purposes only, but of course we are going to try to catch some trades as I have it up on the dashboard, my win tracker, losses, and basically just tracking my trades for each month so that I can calculate a percentage. But yeah, so I'm just going to continue to stream. Although the market is closed, I am fully aware, but this is going to be my introduction stream, I guess, as I do want to start getting the habit of doing these every morning. So and of course, Happy New Year's. Hope you guys are having a good year. Ended 2022 with a bang. 2023 is going to be a scary year, honestly. Definitely going to be locking in. But let's get straight to it. So I guess we can do a technical analysis for the upcoming week since the market is closed. But on gold, as you guys can see, if we're on the daily time frame, gold is starting to make its highs. This month especially, we're going to see gold retrace to an all-time high as well. As you guys can see, we had this nice break of structure from this nice pivotal point where gold was kind of struggling for some time. But as you guys can see, we're in a clear uptrend. So gold, I think, is going to continue to move bullish all month. I think we're going to see gold hit 2000, maybe around this area, 1900. But gold is having its breakout. In course, you can check Euro USD as it does correlate with this pair. Euro USD is also bullish. So we had a lot of consolidation. Let me go ahead and delete all this stuff. We had a lot of consolidation, but as you guys can see, price was stagnant. And then once we had that break of structure, price is forming new ranges, right? So we can call this a range. So I had it marked up. This could be one range. Let me move this right here. And then we can make another range above this box. So this is also another way I use the boxing method. Basically just boxing in price where the most touches are at support and resistance and waiting for a break of structure. So that's what I want to see on gold and Euro USD. What else I need to talk about? Okay, this live is going to be saved. I'm going to make sure I save it as well so you guys can look at this as an introduction. But new Discord. So my Discord is updated, guys. Definitely going to be more active on there. Basically just trade analysis, free PDFs, resources, is everything going to be in the Discord. It's all going to be there. And of course, if you want to be notified of my lives, I would join the Discord because I have a bot set up where you get notified every morning. And of course, if you miss anything, it will be in the recaps and the breakdown section. So definitely check out the Discord if you haven't already. Mentorship. So I've had a lot of questions this past month when I was away about mentorship and 101s. I'm just go ahead and state it here so you guys can look at this. My lives will be saved in mentorship. So the workshop portion. So whenever I'm reviewing, let's say candlesticks, we're going over something that is very important, educational wise, then I will save that clip and send it towards my mentorship services. So people that are in my mentorship or paid for mentorship that can't make the lives, let's say you have work, then I'll send those clips there. Okay. Because I'm not going to save every live. So that will be there. And my 101s, that should be updated on my website. Everything should be there at smartmoneyace.com. Website update. Oh, new merch is coming. Course add-ons, monthly course add-ons are coming back because I know that was requested. So I will be doing those at the end of each month. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's see. So yeah, because I can't really trade this morning, this is kind of just an introduction. Again, if you're joining, Happy New Year's. Kind of just going over my schedule, my plan. Again, I will be live Monday through Thursday, 6 o'clock to 8 a.m. Sometimes it will change. Maybe it will be 6:30 to 8:30, 6:30 to 8. But around that time, an hour to 2 hours every morning, Monday through Thursday, that's when I'm going to be live. If you want to be notified, make sure you're in the Discord and read the rules and just click the little icon and you'll be notified every time I go live. And then again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have my streams organized. So the first 30 minutes, first hour, we're going to be going over the charts, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and the last 30 minutes or an hour, we're going to be doing workshops. So I'll be going over stuff that isn't really free. So we can cover some sections in the Candlestick Bible for beginners, talk about sections of Naked Forex, any type of resource that usually costs money for the average trader, so that anyone that wants to start up the year with that knowledge can have that as a resource, if that makes sense. And of course, we have our Excel sheet. So I will be tracking everything all year. Of course, I'm going to split this up into months. But starting out January, we have our pair, entry, order type, lot size, news, trade, exit, wins, break even, losses, profit, growth, and of course, initial balance. So this is for a flip challenge, of course, on YouTube. So I'm doing one account with $100 so that I can see where I take that from January to December. And of course, on the screen, I should have the trackers displayed. So monthly tracker and my weekly tracker. So you guys can see my win percentage throughout the week. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This might be a really short stream. Like I said, I already know the market is closed. This is going to be an introduction to my streams Monday through Thursday. Yeah, pretty much it. So I'm kind of just gonna chill, lay back for a bit, and as people join, you guys can ask questions. But I might end this short. I might end this at 7 o'clock. It really depends, since I can't really do much this morning. But yeah. And what I'll do, I might clip this up and put it on my introduction panel on YouTube so that people can be informed about my streams. So you don't have to watch the whole hour about the announcements I made already. But it's still going to be a good year. It's going to be a really good year, guys, for sure. I'll probably make an announcement on Instagram as well. Let's go with Forex trade. What I'm going to do is actually, I'm going to type this in the chat so that people already know that I'm aware that the market is closed. And I'm just doing an introduction stream. Introduction stream for the year of 2023. I know the markets. Introduction stream for the year of 2023. I know the markets are closed. This is more of a test stream as well. I'd rather have everything set up and ready to go so that I don't look like an idiot on Monday. But yeah, everything's so far so good. Everything's gonna be organized, like I mentioned already. I'm gonna have a whole plan and agenda while I'm doing these streams, so it's not just random. Definitely wanna make sure I'm educating people on my streams, not just looking for trades. Where is that on OBS? Let's move this right here. All right, hopefully my mic sounds better. And hopefully you guys can see everything on the screen. I should be good. I should be good. You said what I think about the indicator Ike's I can't even pronounce that. Is that like the cloud thing that people use? I.e. snowflakes. And how you doing, man? Hope you're having a good New Year's. I personally don't use that indicator. If that is what you're talking about, I don't use it. But I heard that it's very useful. The only indicators I really use is the RSI and that's it. The only indicator I will ever use, or the only indicator you'll ever see me use, is the RSI. But yeah, actually might end this stream a lot earlier than expected. Yeah, the cloud. Yeah, okay, that's what I thought. And only because I try not to make my chart look crazy. When I'm trading on my phone, actually, like I have MetaTrader 5 up, and I'm just confirming all my confirmations on my phone. And on that chart, I have indicators. And I don't want to make all my indicators look all crazy. So that's like the only indicator I use, only because it lets me know when price is oversold or overbought with my other confluences. So let's say if I'm like trading this, right? Let's say if we're over here and price was falling down at this pivotal point of support. We also have this trend confirmation. It might bounce off of this trend and form a bullish continuation or a bullish trend. Then my RSI, I would double check on my phone. And if it's in that range of being oversold, then it's telling me at some point the market has to correct itself. At some point, gold has to retrace up, right? So that's why I use the RSI. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna end the stream a lot earlier than expected. I do apologize, but everything is gonna be recorded. This is an introduction stream. I do know the markets are closed. Hopefully you guys can read my message. And if you guys have any questions, reach out to me. But it's gonna be a great year. I'm excited, I'm pumped. And I have a whole agenda I'm gonna stick to. So I'll give it a couple minutes. I know people are kind of starting to join, but I'll post this on my YouTube, like the welcome panel, so that people can watch the first like 10 minutes of this stream of me going over everything that I just went over, me explaining my schedule, what I'm gonna have planned for the week. Everything's gonna be recorded. We're gonna go over the candlestick Bible, everything that's gonna be hard to obtain for the average beginner trader. I will go over it for free on my lives. We're gonna go over fundamentals, how to read news, how to understand interest rates, how to understand inflation, what's going on in the world. So you're up to date with the economy, so you're not confused when things like Ukraine and Russia go to war. You're not just in the open, not knowing what's going on in the market. You're gonna have some knowledge of how it correlates to your trades, how it correlates to the market in general. Of course, we have FX Street, understand how I read that and how I use my fundamentals in correlation to my technical analysis. And giveaways. We're going to start doing giveaways this year as well. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, again, you can just go ahead and ask them or just reach out to me on Instagram after this is posted. But we're going to end this pretty short, as I can't really do much this morning since the markets are closed. Hopefully that is fair. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and mute myself. I'm gonna do a quick video for Instagram. I recently started trading Forex. I grew my $50 account to 400, but I blew it in a NAS trade. So you were trading an index, which is very volatile, and you blew it because, what's the reason? Did you know, understand why you blew it? Was it because of risk management? Did you over leverage? Did you get greedy? Didn't know how NAS worked. Well, that's why you're here, right? I'm gonna teach you how to trade NAS, I guess. I don't trade NAS, I used to, but it is an indice, so it is pretty volatile. But if you have some questions, you know, in regards of how it actually works, the pair itself, then I can help you. So yeah, if you want to trade NAS, I'll definitely help you with that. Understanding how that pair works in general, what to look at. I don't trade NAS. I don't trade indices. I only trade you over leverage. It happens, man. It happens. The closest thing to indices that I ever will trade all year will be commodities. But NAS is a dangerous pair. NAS and US 30. Oh my god, I have some history with US 30. Don't get me started. But yeah, I'll definitely get you comfortable with that pair. I know a lot of people trade NAS. I know a lot of people trade supply and demand on the 5 minute with NAS. I have a lot of friends that trade NAS. Me personally, I'm sticking to 4 pairs this year. That's one thing I didn't go over yet. It should be, if it's not displayed on the screen, the main pairs will be gold, GBP pairs, and Euro pairs. Mainly GJ, GU, and EU. And then of course, if anyone has other pairs they want me to analyze, you can send them in the chat. You can just screenshot TradingView and I can go over it and we can analyze that chart together. But those are my personal pairs that I'm trading all year. Gold, GJ, GU, and Euro USD. All right, so like I mentioned before, I'm gonna end the stream earlier. This is an introduction to my live streams moving into 2023. If you guys have any questions, you can use the last 2 minutes to ask them. Otherwise, everything's gonna be saved and put up on YouTube. Yeah, I'm gonna be completely honest. I do not trade NOS. When I first started trading, I did trade NOS. This was like 2.5 years ago. When I first started out, I did trade NOS, but I'm not gonna ever try to, you know, pretend that I'm a master at something I know I'm not. But I'll do my best to kind of show you the ropes of what I know so that you can get comfortable. Because at the end of the day, most of these pairs, they follow the same laws of price action, right? There's not a huge gap. It's just the volatility within these price ranges. So how they move, that's the main difference. But most of these pairs, they follow the same rules, you know? It's just how you apply them. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and end this here. I'm not gonna drag this as I can't really do much this morning. Again, the reason why I started streaming now, because I want to do a test run and a whole introduction for my streams that are to come in 2023. If you guys have any questions, you can let me know. Again, Happy New Year. It's gonna be a great year. Hopefully you guys ended the year right, and hopefully you guys are starting the year better. It's gonna be a really good year for everyone. But again, if you guys have any questions, you can reach out to me at Instagram at SmartMoneyAce, or you can just hit me up in my Discord. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll be live 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. sharp with a plan and agenda ready to go. And I'll see you guys till then. I'm out.